It looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh, so yummy. Episode 1 of Cooking with Ankit. This is a series I've been wanting to do for a very, very long time. I'm a home chef, I'm an enthusiast. I love cooking food for myself and entertaining friends. So these are simple recipes that anybody can literally watch and cook along. Ideally, you don't cook while you're watching this. You don't want to burn stuff. But you can definitely refer to these videos. This is a culmination of my own culinary education. That's right, I studied hotel management 100 years ago. But also, I'm obsessed with food. I'm watching food recipe videos when I'm not cooking. I'm cooking a lot. And this is for you, my beloved followers. Okay, I'm doing this again because I recorded this entire video only to realize that the mic was not recording. Today we are cooking our go-to daily Hakka Chowmein noodles. Now, 1,000 ways of doing this. My simple way is putting together this really yummy secret sauce. What all have we put in the sauce? The flavors of the chow mein really come from this secret sauce. Nice Kikkoman soy sauce, not an ad. I absolutely love their products. I'm adding some Blue Elephant rice vinegar, adds tanginess and sourness. I'm adding a little bit of the laksa sauce that I already had in my kitchen. This is made from Guntur chili, so this adds a little bit of punch and heat. And for a little more sourness, and also because I'm going to get done with it and use it up, is the bombucha kimchi, which is fermented cabbage in chili. So that's going to add all of that. Whatever sauce you make sure there's salt in it, umami flavor, there's fat in it, sesame oil or any other oil that you use, there's tanginess in it, vinegar or kimchi juices, and of course there's some hot or chili in it. Now this sauce goes along with all these wow goodies. Please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall. I've got some chopped spinach, some sliced carrots, juliennes of carrots and capsicum or bell peppers and onions. I'm also trying out some tempeh cubes for the first time. Have some chopped garlic and some spring onions to garnish it along with sesame seeds. The noodles are already boiled. Now it's all coming together in the wok. Okay, the noodles are done. I'm just going to drain it so they don't become khichdi. We're going to cook this on high flame and the chimney goes on. That looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, moment of truth. Let me taste the tempeh cubes. Slight chalky taste to it, but I don't mind the flavor because it's actually marinated, pre-marinated. Some vegetables and some noodles. Fresh, homemade, super delicious and nutritious Veg Hakka Chowmein Noodles. Let me know what you thought of this particular video. Also, should I do more of these videos? And do you have any recommendations for what I should cook and show? And this series needs a name. Think of a name. I'm sweating out here. The best names get a shout out, and if I really like something that you all suggest, I'll actually name the series after that. Oh, so yummy. Arigatou gozaimasu. Bye bye.